How to install Nexus Mods on your Xbox One console.
Hello, gaming enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle a frequently asked question: how to install Nexus Mods on your Xbox One console. Modifying your games can open up new adventures, extend your gameplay, and make your gaming experience even more enjoyable. Let's dive right in.
What is Nexus Mods?
Before we start, let's take a moment to understand what Nexus Mods is. It's a site that hosts modifications, mods, for over 1,000 games. From small tweaks to massive overhauls, Nexus Mods offers a wide variety of customization options for your favorite games.
Can Nexus Mods be installed on Xbox One?
Technically, Nexus Mods can't be installed directly on an Xbox One console due to platform restrictions. Mods for console games are generally available through in-game modding platforms, like the Bethesda.net platform for Fallout 4 and The Elder Scrolls V: Skyrim.
How to use Bethesda.net for modding.
To use mods on your Xbox One console, you'll need to use a service like Bethesda.net. Here's how. 1. Create a Bethesda.net account if you haven't done so already. 2. Search for mods on the Bethesda.net platform. Many of the same mods you'll find on Nexus are also available here. 3. Follow the instructions to install the mods on your Xbox One. Remember, while modding can greatly enhance your gaming experience, always be sure to use mods responsibly. They can sometimes cause instability in your games or conflicts with other mods.
How to use mods on Xbox One.
Once you've found mods on Bethesda.net, here's how you can install and use them. 1. Launch the game on your Xbox One console. 2. In the game menu, select Mods. This will prompt you to log into your Bethesda.net account. 3. Log in with your Bethesda.net account details. 4. You can then browse for mods or download the ones you've previously selected on the website. 5. After selecting a mod, select Download. After the download is complete, the mod will be available in your library. 6. To enable the mod, go to your mod library and activate it. Remember to always check the order of your mods. Some mods may need to be loaded before others to work correctly. And that's it, folks. While you can't directly install Nexus Mods on your Xbox One, you can certainly use the Bethesda.net platform to find and use a wide array of mods to spice up your gaming experience. Always remember to use mods responsibly and enjoy the new dimensions they bring to your games. Happy gaming!